Welcome to the SolisCloud service. This video will demonstrate how to bind your installer. First, open your web browser and navigate to the SolisCloud monitoring platform. Bind installer. Please log in to your SolisCloud account. After entering the Power Station Overview interface, please click on Modify Information at the top right corner. Next, please click Search on the right side of the organization code. Enter the organization code provided to you by your installer, which is usually a mobile phone number or an email address. Please note, installers will have access to your system if you add them. They can view and control your plant. If you wish for them not to view your data, please do not add them. After confirming the information is correct, click Confirm. And then click Save. At this point, your account is successfully bound to the installer's organization code. Return to the Overview page, and click on Info to check if the organization code has been successfully bound. Thank you for choosing Solis. We wish you a pleasant experience.